In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress a video without losing quality using Handbrake. Whether you're looking to save storage space or reduce upload times, Handbrake is a powerful open source tool that can help achieve size reduction without a noticeable loss in quality. Let's dive into the process. First, begin by launching Handbrake on your computer. If you haven't already installed it, you can easily download it from its official website. Handbrake is compatible with both Windows and Mac OS, making it a versatile option for video compression tasks. Once you have Handbrake up and running, the next step is to open your video file. To do this, click on the Open Source button, which will allow you to locate and select the video file you wish to compress from your files. This is where we will start tailoring the settings to ensure your video maintains its quality after compression. With your video loaded, navigate to the Summary tab and select MP4 as the output format. The MP4 format is widely supported across various platforms and devices, making it a reliable choice for maintaining video quality while reducing file size. Now let's move over to the video tab where we'll focus on the codec. Choose H.264/X.264 as your codec, or if your system supports it, you can opt for H.265/X.265, which provides even more compression efficiency for the same quality level. Continuing on, you'll see the constant quality section with an RF value slider. Here, the RF value will control the balance between file size and quality. Lower numbers mean higher quality, but larger file size. For HD video, an RF range between 18 to 23 is usually ideal. If your video is UHD, consider setting an RF value of around 28. Next, set the frame rate to same as source. This option helps maintain the original frame rate of the video, which is crucial for preserving the natural motion and feel of the original footage. Although you can adjust it if necessary, it's essential to be aware that changes might lead to compatibility issues with some platforms or devices. For better quality encoding, especially if using H.265, consider selecting a slow or slower preset. Although these options take a bit more time during the encoding process, they are generally worth it for the enhanced quality at a given bitrate. Moving to the audio settings, adjust them according to your needs. AAC or Opus are generally good choices for compatibility and quality. You'll want your audio to match the quality of your video so that the viewing experience remains consistent and immersive. Last but not least, choose a save location and give your file a meaningful name. This makes it straightforward to find your new file later. Once everything is set, add the job to the queue and initiate the encoding process. Handbrake will start compressing your video, and once completed, your optimized video will be ready for whatever use you have in mind. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll be able to compress videos like a pro using Handbrake without sacrificing quality. Happy compressing?